Hi guys. So the other day I was driving on the street, you know what I'm saying, and I just bought a new car, not brand new but used. Anyway, the lights they're really foggy. Ace ladder, you barely can see through them. I was like complaining to my wife and kids, guys, look at the street. I can't really see nothing. The street light is brighter than my headlight. What's going on? So the lights they need to do over, you know. So I'm saying, I get a bing. Whenever I get a bing, it's like something come in my head. Say, this could be a good side job or a good thing that anybody can do. Restore headlight. There's a lot of cars out there that I would say probably 80 to 90% of cars out there right now, headlight need to restore. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going through Amazon and YouTube videos, and there's a product that I see that it is very, very good, guys. You know, I think you guys should check it out. You know what I'm saying? So take a look at this, right? You know, this product work so good. You know, you could try this one, or this one, but yeah, this right here. When you use this, right, you gotta make sure your headlight is buff and clean and clear. Then you spray this over it to get it to show, to get it to look beautiful. You know what I'm saying? And then when you go back in the car in the night to drive and to go pick someone up or whatever you're gonna do, you're gonna see the big night and day difference, yo. I'm telling you, this thing is awesome. Like real good. It make your headlight comes out beautiful. So what you would do, you would use sandpaper. You probably would use like yeah, it depends on the headlights how bad they is. If they're not too bad, I would say go start with 1,000. You know what I'm saying, and go all the way up to 3,000. If they're like halfway bad, you want to go between, I would say, 600 or 800. If they're real bad, you want to go with like 400 and go up. You know what I'm saying, to get out those big scratch and stuff out there. So you want to do that, because if you don't do that, and when you're ready to spray them, you're gonna look. And another thing, do not double or triple spray. You want to give it one good, nice, heavy spray all over it. Spray it one time and forget about it. If you spray and wait 10-20 minutes, spray again, it's gonna get like hazel. It's not gonna be crystal clear no more. The more you spray, the more you're gonna get real bad. So you just want to spray it once. You spray it a heavy spray one time, and that's good. Make sure you check over and look good and spray back from right to left, left to right, and you done. Because once you dry and you spray, this thing does not show that clear. For some reason, I don't know why you do that, but I'm telling you, check out this product. This product is very good, very good. All right, guys, thank you. I hope this help. Please help out the channel. Use the link in the description so it could help out the channel. All right, guys, I promise you, if you use this on your headlight, make sure you sand off all of the yellow stuff on your sunlight and on your headlight properly. Make sure there's no scratch, nothing, and you buff it out first. When you buff it out and it look clear and beautiful, this is gonna be the last step to protect it, right? All right, so check in the description. I got a lot of product in the description you can choose and use. All right, thank you.